Stay right here.
She started talking to the moment she walked in the door. A star is born on X Factor. We're so happy to have her here this morning.
And we know Fanda Ross is the bubbly personality at our Starbucks across the street.
I didn't know you could sing.
Yeah, I've been doing it for a long time. A long time I didn't do it, but I grew up, my grandmother, she brought me up in the church, so I got to sing in the church choir when I was little. And in the 7th grade, I went my first talent show singing Missing You by Diana Ross. So that's when I said, ooh, I'm going to be a star.
Well, and you know what? Congratulations on dropping 40 pounds since that appearance on X Factor.
Yeah. Can you see it?
And that's just the start. I mean, you're determined.
I'm determined.
That's awesome. Is it because of your love for Simon?
Well, you know, that's just a little piece of it. But I want to be able to keep up. I'm 42 years old, so I want to be able to keep up with all the young people in Hollywood. And in order to keep up with them, I'm going to need some energy. So
I don't know if our viewers happen to see, but and you have it right there. You have the same necklace on that says single.
Single.
This is a girl that's single, and she wants you to know it.
Yeah.
Love the bling.
In case Simon doesn't,
Don't work out.
Yeah, exactly. We were just seeing you, though, there leaving in the ambulance, and you were battling pneumonia.
Yes.
You were 40 pounds more of your love back then. And that takes a toll on your health.
Oh, yeah. And I didn't even think I was going to be able to make it over there. I had told the people over at Baylor Hospital, I said, I have to be in Austin. They started taping today, so I have to be in Austin tomorrow. And if you guys don't let me go, I'm going to have to go AWOL. I got to get out of here.
Yeah, so you were battling pneumonia. You went and did your audition. Did you feel okay during the audition, like when you were singing? So you sang that well, even though you weren't feeling it.
And they told us, they said, have 5 songs prepared. And they were making people sing, oh, no, I don't like that song. Sing another one. Sing another one. And so I was backstage praying, God, let me just do one good song because I don't think I'm going to be able to make it. So I went out there.
We just don't have that much time. We've got so much we've got to cram in with you. A fascinating story. You were born in prison. Your mom was in prison.
Yeah.
You say, Grandma raised you. You grew up in the church, but you kind of took a couple of wrong turns along the way.
Yes.
But you're back, and that's one of the things you're going to be talking about and singing about tonight.
Yes, and I can't wait for tonight because, like I said, I grew up singing, but there was a long period that I didn't sing. Long time. There was a period, that I didn't think I would ever sing again, because of different toes that, my life had taken. But thank God for my grandmother. She prayed me through, and January 25th, 1997, I was able to give my life to the Lord and go into a Christian rehab. And I've been in Victory Outreach Church for 15 years, and I cannot wait tonight to tell the people, all about me, because they need to know more. There's just more than a voice here. There's a story behind this, and that was my whole reason for going to X Factor.
I can see you getting teary-eyed right now. I mean, this means so much to you. So you've made it to the next round at X Factor. We're going to be cheering for you every step of the way. Very cool. So, and we do want to let people know you're going to be singing at your church. It's a free event. It's tonight at Victory Outreach Church in Dallas. Starts at 7:30, and then you got to watch Fanda on X Factor.
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Coming up Wednesdays and Thursdays at 7 o'clock. We'll see. And we got to get a new picture of you because you're not the same girl.
And I won't be the same in 6 months.
I know.
So.
Well, you come back. We'd like to see you then.
All right. I love you guys.
Thanks for being here.
Much more to come here on Good.